Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to set the default font and style in Microsoft Word so that every new document automatically just uses your preferred settings. So once you open your Microsoft Word, you go to this section where there is Home tab, click on it like that. Then there is this, on this ribbon, there's these groups of data here. You can see we have the font type and also the font size. So you will go and click on this down arrow that shows customize your text using advanced font and character options to give it to exact look that you want. So click on it. You'll click on this, then this section will pop up. Then from this section, you can be able to customize the font type that you want. So let's say, for example, I pick Times New Romance. Then you can also pick the font style. Here I've used regular because if you use italic, every content that you will put there will be in italics. So use regular, then pick the font size, which is normally used by most of the legal documents, is font size 12. So pick that. Then the font color, you can also decide to pick a dark one or a white one, but I prefer using a white one or an automatic font color that the Microsoft Word itself will give me. Then underlying style, you can decide to pick the one that you want, like this or that, but I will use none. You can also, now once you're done setting your settings up here, the style, you have Times New Roman, then it's regular, then the font size is 12. Then you go ahead and set as default. Then once you click on that, it will ask you, do you want to set the default font to Times New Roman font 12? Then for this document only, say no, say all document based on the normal template. So then click OK, select this option, then click OK. So once you click OK, if you enter any of the information on this section, it is in Times New Roman font 12. And as you can see, when I click anywhere here, the font is Times New Roman font 12. And that is how you can set your font type and also font size in Microsoft Word. Then I'll go to the next thing that I want us to talk about is how to also set the styles in Microsoft Word for all your documents. So the first thing, you can come here when you click on Home tab, you'll see this section that has written here styles. You can go ahead and click on this drop down menu. Once you click on that, you can see it tells you create new style. So if you click on create new style, it takes you to this section where you have the name, the paragraph style preview. So you can go ahead and click on modify like that. Then you can give the style that you want to create. Let's say, for example, APA format. Then you can go ahead, you can say, let's say, for example, the style, the first line will be hanging. So click on it like that, then it's APA format. So you go ahead, also see the font type, it's Times New Roman font 12. Make sure you select that. The font size is 12. Then you can also change the color theme if you want, but I will leave it automatic. Then you can see it's giving you the sample here on how your text is going to look like. Then once you're done, you just go ahead and click OK. Then your font style or your style will automatically be added up here. So if you want to come and paste any content here, you just select this style that you have come with, you have created up here. Then you right click on your mouse, then paste option will be this second one, merge formatting. Then once you click on it like that, it will automatically give you the settings that you've made in your style up here. Then if you don't want to work with that style anymore, you can just go ahead, right click on it, then you can remove from style gallery. Once you click on that, it will immediately go away. So that is how easily you can create or set the font size and also the styles in Microsoft Word. So your custom font and style will now be the default every time you open Word. So no more adjusting settings every time you start a document. So if you just want to paste your document here, it will immediately go into what you've said. So if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more each tech tutorial. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.